Hello my friends, my kings, how are you guys? Welcome guys for a new video. See you guys same time on both sides. Check out my friends official site of one expert website. See my friends, our beautiful hack round predictor hack. I put my personal own VIP pass guys. Wait for intro guys. You can check out beautiful animation intro my friends. After that, we have to connect with the one expert mode guys. See my friends. And then we have to predict. (1.48x) my friends. That's amazing my friends. One more time guys. Oh my friends, good number 6.11x guys. That's up amazing and big number my friends. Not a bad number my friends. Crazy my friends, crazy. Okay guys, just write me on my official telegram crown_predictor guys. This is our official telegram channel guys. You can see we have a mention on the hack guys, crown_predictor. Just write me on my official telegram guys. (1.94x) guys. See guys, our official telegram channel crown_predictor guys. And you can buy this hack key from me guys. Okay my friends. One more last time guys, I have to show you. Oh my friends, go number 1.88x guys. 1.88x. Amazing guys, same guys, same guys. Okay my friend, just write me on my official telegram crown_predictor guys. This is our official telegram channel. Okay my friend.